John Burnside of Freeboard Capital joins us now for the Trader Rundown, and it's going to be an interesting trading day today because it's an options expiration day. Thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.
Do you anticipate some extra volatility in the market? The VIX pit has been very active this week.
You know, it has been, but at the same time, we've got it's an end of month, regular monthly expiration, so people don't want to really get out of their positions. They want to keep their hedges on. At least that's what our situation is.
Right. What stocks do you want to continue on with?
We love Microsoft, and Microsoft comes out with earnings next week. We are currently short today's 92 and a halves, and we're going to roll those out to next week into the 92 and a halves. I realize that there's an earnings announcement, but it still protects my clients. And again, we have the downside puts because, like happened to IBM, things do happen and they can get smoked pretty bad.
Absolutely. Now, you were on the show not too long ago and you talked about Microsoft and 100.
Right.
What do you think now?
Well, it's around 96, 97, so it's just a little bit further to go and to get to that 100. Even after all the volatility of February, March, and April, it's still hanging in there. So it seems like it wants to get there.
You mentioned IBM. Are you surprised by the plunge in that stock? I mean, it did fall below 150.
Right. Yeah. We we had positions in that one too. We'll talk about the good. We'll talk about the bad, I guess. So we had positions in IBM. We were long the June 155 puts because again, we want to own the stock to get the dividend. And obviously, when it went from 161 to whatever under 150. We got beat a little bit, but at the same time, we had those June 155 puts. So, yeah, it was not a great day, but it could have been a heck of a lot worse.
Thanks so much for coming on the show and for being so candid.
I wish every trade was profitable, but I can't say that's the case.
They never are, John. Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.